Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to reset your Windows 11 PC if your system has become slow or corrupted, or if you simply want to start fresh. You can use Windows built-in reset feature to reinstall the operating system. So let's get started. First, open the start menu and go to settings. In the settings window, click system, scroll down little and you will find recovery option. Inside recovery, you will see an option called reset this PC. Click reset the PC button. You will see two options. Choose the one that best fits your needs, but make sure you understand the difference first. Keep my files and remove everything. Keep my files option keeps your personal files such as photos and documents, but removes all install apps and reset your settings. Remove everything option will delete everything, includes your personal files, apps and settings, giving you a completely clean installation of Windows. Next, Windows will ask you to how you would like to reinstall the operating system. Cloud download. This option downloads the latest version of Windows directly from Microsoft service. It is the best choice of if your current Windows installation is heavily corrupted. Keep in mind that it may require around 4 GB of more of internet data. Local reinstall. This option reinstall Windows using the files already stored on your PC. It's a good choice if you have slow or limited internet connection. However, if the existing system file are already damaged, the reinstall may fail or leave corrupted files behind. For this tutorial, I will select cloud download. Windows will now show a summary of your selected settings. If everything looks correct, click next and then click next again. You will now see the ready to reset this PC screen. Click the reset button to begin. Windows will start downloading the required installation files. Wait until the download is complete. After download finishes, the screen may appear stuck for a while. Don't worry, Windows is preparing the system file. Do not close this window. After a few moments, the reset process will begin automatically. Once the reset is and reinstall are complete, your PC will restart. When you see the sign in screen, enter your account PIN to log in. The initial setup may take a few more minutes to finish. Congratulations, your Windows 11 PC has been now successfully reset. You can now install any necessary drivers and your computer is ready to use again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.